Hey baby you, have you listened to this groove? Look at my shoes, yeah this bass line is making me move. Don't know about you, but I think it's pretty smooth. I have no clue how this bass line is making me move. Groove. Look at my shoes, yeah this bass line is making me move. Don't know about you, but I think it's pretty smooth. Oh, I have no clue how this bass line is making me move. Is making me move, yeah it makes me wanna move. I've got the groove, that this bass line is making me move.
Let's learn Pretty Moves. It's choreographed by Jean-Pierre, Madge, Gregory, Danvoie, and Antonella Mazzeo. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, high improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Pretty Moves. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, stepping forward, right, left. We're now going to quickly step our feet shoulder width apart, stepping out to the side with your right and out to the side with your left. You're now going to lift both heels up as you pop your knees forward, recover back onto your left foot, and then quickly flick your right foot back. We're now going to cross our right over our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. And then you're going to do a chassé to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your walks. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, you're going to take your left heel and touch it across your right, and then point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to do a quarter turning sailor step. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you step back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side and then step your left foot slightly forward. You're then going to step forward with your right foot and you're going to hold. And then you're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and you're going to hold. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our chassé. Weights on your right. You're going to take your left heel across your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. Section 3, you're going to quickly hit your right knee slightly up, and then you're going to do a big step back with your right, dragging your left foot into your right. You're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping back with your left foot, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left foot. You're now going to step forward with your right, and you're going to come up on the ball of your right foot, and as you do that, you're going to hitch your left knee up, and then you're going to do a run forward, stepping forward, left, right, left. On that run forward, sometimes I like to make it kind of like a boogie walk and have a little bit of fun with it. You can have some styling in that section. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped back with our left foot. You're going to hitch your right knee up. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You want to really drag out that coming up and hitch and fall into your run forward. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're going to do a right mambo step forward. So you're going to rock your right foot forward, recover back onto your left, step your right foot back. We're now going to shuffle back with our left foot, stepping your left foot back, right together, left back. You're going to rock back with your right foot, recover onto your left, and then we're going to do a full turn. We're going to start by making a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. And then you're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and then you would start the dance all over again. If you or somebody you dance with cannot do the turns or don't like to do turns, you can replace that with 2 walks forward instead of doing those 2 half turns. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your right mambo. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you would go right into your walk, walk out, out with your lift and pop. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight's on your left foot. You're starting with your walk. Walk, walk, out, out, pop, recover, flick, cross, quarter back, chasse to the side, heel touch across, point side, quarter sailor, step, step, hold, half back, hold, hitch back, drag, coaster, step, step, come up with a hitch, then run forward, left, right, mambo, step, left, shuffle back, rock back, recover, half, half. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now we're going to go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. In the back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance, or 2 front walls and 2 back walls, just so that you can practice it. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your walk. Walk, walk, out, out, pop, recover, flick, cross, quarter back, chasse to the side. Heel touch across and point, quarter sailor, step, step, hold, half back, hold, hitch back, drag, coaster, step, step, come up with a hitch, run, 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 right mambo, step, left, shuffle back, rock back, recover, half, half your walk. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, out, out with a pop, flick, cross, quarter back, chasse to the side. Heel touch across and point, sailor corner, turn, step, hold, half back, hold, hitch back, drag, coaster, step, step with a rising hitch. Then your run, 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 right mambo, step, left, shuffle back, rock back, recover, half, half, walk. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. The dance is going to end very suddenly facing the back wall. You don't have a lot of time to do any sort of ending. So if you can figure out an ending to do, if you would like to face the front, there's not one listed on the step sheet. So now that you've practiced with the tutorial, you can use a timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn pretty moves. If you have
Hey baby, have you listened to this groove? Look at my shoes, yeah, this bass line is making me move. Don't know about you, but I think it's pretty smooth. I have no clue how this bass line is making me move. Groove. Look at my shoes, yeah, this bass line is making me move. Don't know about you, but I think pretty smooth. Oh, I have no clue how this bass line is making me move. Making me move, yeah, it makes me wanna move. I've got the proof that this bass line is making me move.